Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna be telling you about the Tails operating system and how to install and configure it. So let's start. Tails, or the Amnesic Incognito Live system, is a security-focused Debian-based Linux distribution aimed at preserving privacy and anonymity. All its incoming and outgoing connections are forced to go through Tor, and any non-anonymous connections are blocked. It does not leave any tracks behind. Due to its great features, nowadays many hackers use this as a primary portable operating system. To install Tails you first need to download these two files. One is the Tails ISO file which is available on Tails official website, and the another is a tool which helps us to write the ISO file on the pen drive. Now let's go to the Tails official website to download the ISO file. Select your current operating system and then download the compatible file. Now follow the steps shown in the video. You can download this ISO file directly or by using a torrent. Now click on Download to download the ISO file. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Now download the image loader file. I am downloading Rufus portable version. You can download any one. Now run Rufus as administrator. Select the portable disk on which you want to install Tails. Now simply select the ISO file and click on Start. This process will take around 5 to 6 minutes, so be patient. The drive is now ready to boot. Close the Rufus window and turn off your PC. Now boot your PC in Boot Manager and select the portable drive. Now follow the steps shown in the video. Now you need to configure Tails according to your need. Note that you will have to do this process again and again when you boot in your system. You can also set administrator password and additional settings in order to use the root terminal. You also get options like Mac spoofing and network connections. After configuration, just click on Start Tails to boot in your operating system. Now you are in the operating system. Note that this operating system does not save any files or history in order to clear tracks. This OS comes with Tor browser and many other applications pre-installed. Let's open the terminal to see if it's working or not. The terminal works fine and you can install many Linux-based tools in it, but you need to set up persistent storage for that. When you are connected to the internet, the Tor automatically generates a onion circuit and hides the IP. You can connect internet using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth is also available. So guys, this was all for today's video. Hope you liked the video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such technical videos.